Welcome to our tutorial on how to build a real-time visitor counter with IoT. If you own a store or need to manage the traffic of people coming in and out of a building, this project is for you. By using two infrared sensors placed at the entrance and exit, the system can detect the number of visitors in real time. The project also features a servo that can automatically close the door if the number of visitors exceeds a set limit, helping to ensure the safety of both customers and employees. Any movement detected by the infrared sensors produces a beep sound. The onboard NeoPixel will always light up to indicate that the store is open for customers, and when the threshold value is reached, the NeoPixel will turn off and the onboard LED will light up. The owner will also receive email notifications at this point. With this project, managing traffic in your store has never been easier. For this project, you will need Maker Feather A IoT S3, breadboard, 2 infrared sensor, micro servo, onboard LED, onboard buzzer, onboard NeoPixel, 2 quick cable. You can get all these components from Citron IoT Kit. The connection between the components is shown in this way. Before we move on, please make sure to set up your account on V1 platform and install the required libraries for Arduino. Watch the video in the description to learn how to do so. On V1 platform, add infrared sensor and servo motor. Then go to the monitoring dashboard to add a monitoring window and control buttons for the servo motor. If you want to receive email notifications when the number of visitors in your store exceeds a certain threshold, follow these steps in the workflow page. Please note that you can always modify the threshold value of visitors in your store to receive email notifications according to your specific needs. Open the email and type in your email to receive the notifications. Now, open Arduino and use this code. Make sure to change the device ID. In Arduino code, you can also change the threshold value of the visitors. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.